Can you talk to us about what you enjoy most of your day, and what are some of those challenges, maybe that you've already mentioned, or maybe some different ones that you want to bring up?
So I would say the thing I enjoy most of my career is the flexibility and the freedom. Like, I'm gonna keep emphasizing that because to me that's a big part in the career I wanted. I always know like, okay, I'm gonna be working for the rest of my life. I might as well be having fun. I might as well love what I'm doing. And I feel with speech therapy, you can do anything. I can work in a school, which I do right now. I'm at a school in the Bronx, or I can end up working at homes with adults. I do early intervention after school with kids who are less than 3 years old. So you have so much flexibility in what you can do and where you can make your money because you're making your money, but you're getting it in a way that is helpful to others, and you know that you're making that impact. So I definitely just love that aspect of my career. I don't ever feel stuck to one thing. I can pretty much go any route I want. I can even do certain specialties I want. So my specialty is working with children on the spectrum, specifically nonverbal kids, and helping them with alternate communication devices. So whether they need to use like a tablet to speak or working with picture cards. I love That's my part that I love doing. But I will say the most challenging aspect with my career is the paperwork and the deadlines. So again, just like what Risa said, it's chaos sometimes. You have to collaborate with so many other people of your team. So it could be the occupational therapy, the school psychologist. I gotta go to her and ask her, okay, when is this kid's triennial due? So a triennial is like a 3-year evaluation that happens, and the school psychologist is in charge of it. But I gotta make sure that when they're scheduling their appointment, the appointment with the parent, it works for me scheduling another IEP meeting and having to keep track of when these kids' IEPs are due, make sure that you're filling in all your parts, make sure that other people are also filling in their parts too. It's a lot of different obstacles that come into play. And if you don't stay observant, you will mess up and it will reflect badly on your performance. You could be the great therapist, but if you're not great at your paperwork, it doesn't matter. People like to see the paperwork a lot more, unfortunately, especially when you work at schools. So those are definitely the two biggest factors.